What if riding a wave meant surfing down the side of an active volcano? In a breathtaking journey, adrenaline junkies flock to Nicaragua, where the ash-covered slopes of Cerro Negro invite daring descents. As they strap on their boards, the tension rises. Each ride can lead to thrills or peril as glowing lava sits just beneath the surface. Crashes send clouds of ash soaring, but the exhilaration fuels their spirits. With every exhilarating ride, they confront nature's fierce unpredictability, showcasing courage that's both inspiring and breathtaking. This is not just surfing, it's the pursuit of adventure against the backdrop of a living, breathing giant.